In the realm of office management, chaos is the enemy of productivity. But with the right filing system, order emerges and efficiency reigns supreme. We previously discussed the importance of office filing, and now I welcome you to our deep dive into the types of filing systems and assessing your office's filing needs. I promise you will enjoy this class if you are well focused. Let's start with the alphabetical filing system. It's as simple as ABC, organizing documents based on names or topics. This system can also be implemented using the names of individuals, companies, or subjects. This system is intuitive and easy to use, especially for small to medium-sized offices. There is always a quick retrieval of files for those familiar with the system. For those craving confidentiality and scalability, the numerical filing system stands out. Each document gets a unique number, perfect for larger organizations. Remember, a master list will be your guide through this numeric world. Files are assigned numbers as identifiers. This system can be sequential, using consecutive numbers, or categorical, based on departments or categories. Also put into consideration that this system requires a master list to decode numbers back to their corresponding files, which can be an extra step in retrieval. Operating across borders, the geographical filing system is ideal. Files are organized based on geographical locations, such as cities, states, or countries. This system is perfect for organizations with operations in multiple geographic locations. It facilitates market analysis and region-specific documentation. This system, not practical for businesses with a limited geographical scope or those that don't need to segregate files by location. For the detail-oriented, the subject filing system allows for precise categorization by topics, adapting seamlessly to the diverse needs of any organization. Organization is based on specific subjects or topics. This system is highly customizable to fit the unique needs of an organization. This system allows for detailed categorization and is versatile across different types of organizations. And for those with time-sensitive documents, the chronological filing system tracks the life cycle of each file, from inception to completion. In this system, documents are filed according to dates. This can include the date of creation, receipt, or a specific deadline. It is useful for tracking document histories and for businesses that need to follow up on documents or actions regularly. You see, in every office, documents flow like a river. But when that flow becomes a flood, chaos ensues. How do we navigate these waters? By understanding and assessing our office's unique filing needs. First, we embark on a journey to understand the document flow within our realm. Begin by analyzing the volume, types, and flow of documents. Look for bottlenecks where documents pile up, or retrieval becomes a quest rather than a task. Next, turn a critical eye to your current filling system. Is it the steed you need, or is it holding you back? Engage with your knights and maidens, the team members who battle with the system daily. Their insights are invaluable. With wisdom gathered, consider the unique aspects of your kingdom. What does the nature of your work demand? Are there confidentiality dragons to slay? Do you need access to the archives of your filing system might be a tapestry woven from different threads to suit these needs. And what of the future? Anticipate changes in document volume and variety. Opt for a system that's not just for today, but will grow with you, adapting to whatever tomorrow brings. The quest for the perfect filing system is foundational to your office's lore. By assessing your unique needs with care, you craft a realm where productivity, security, and accessibility reign supreme. Remember, a kingdom's strength lies not just in its archives, but in the wisdom with which they are kept. Embark on this journey of transformation and unlock the full potential of your office. The path to a more organized future begins with a single step. In our next class, we will be discussing how to design your filing system. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget